Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle Intel hyper-threading technology on the LENOVO V15. So first you need to enter the BIOS menu. In order to do that, turn off your device completely, then press the power button to start up your device, and before your device even starts booting up, repeatedly press the F2 button, and in a couple of seconds you will see the BIOS menu in front of you. To navigate between tabs, use left and right arrow keys. To navigate between options, use down and up arrow keys. To select some value, press enter. So this way, go to configuration tab, then scroll down to Intel hyper-threading technology, press enter, and to change this value to, for example, disabled, select disabled and press enter. And this way you can also enable this feature. To save changes and exit, press F10 and enter. To reset default values, press F9 and enter. And to exit without saving, press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.